Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a golden retriever.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, thank you very much.
What time does the train leave?
It's at 5:30 p.m.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I love exploring trails.
Can I help you with your bags?
No, that's fine, thank you.
What's your favorite snack?
I enjoy chocolate chip cookies.
How was your weekend?
It was fun and relaxing.
Do you have any plans for today?
Not really, just staying home.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring the most.
What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy playing the piano.
Have you ever been to Los Angeles?
No, but I would love to visit.
What's your favorite book?
I like The Great Gatsby.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the violin.
What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to go to Hawaii.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was really entertaining.
How's your family doing?
They are doing well, thank you.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go jogging every morning.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like action movies.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or listen to music.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy making pasta dishes.
What's your favorite animal?
I like sea turtles.
Have you ever tried tacos?
Yes, I love them.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thanks.
When will the meeting start?
I think it begins at 10 a.m.
How long have you been working here?
I've been here for 5 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please ask him to call me.
Did you get my email?
Yes, I received it.
When will she return?
She'll be back in 20 minutes.
Can I speak to Michael, please?
Sorry, he's not in right now.
Is there a cafe nearby?
I'm not sure, maybe across the street.
How long does it take to get there?
About 45 minutes.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a couple of minutes.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to visit the park.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Sure, that sounds great.
Could we meet tomorrow?
Yes, that works for me.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am.
What are your plans after work?
I'm meeting friends for dinner.
What will you do today?
I'm not sure yet.
What do you do every day?
I go for a run.
Do you need help?
Yes, please, that would be great.
Can you pass the water?
Of course, here you go.
What do you think of the show?
It's funny and exciting.
Do you want some dessert?
No thanks, I'm full.
How is your day going?
It's going well, thanks.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love mystery novels.
What's your favorite color?
I like green.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to the beach.
Do you prefer trains or planes?
I prefer flying.
What do you usually do on trips?
I visit museums and galleries.
Have you been abroad?
Yes, I went to Miami last year.
How many countries have you visited?
I visited 4 countries.
Do you have any hotel rooms available?
Sorry, we're fully booked.
How long will you stay?
Until the end of the week.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I do.
May I see your ID?
Here it is.
What kind of room do you want?
A single room, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
What time do you close?
At 9 p.m.
What time do you open?
At 8 a.m.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Do you need help packing?
No thanks, I can manage.
Can you give me a discount?
Sure, no problem.
How much would you like?
2 pounds, please.
Where can I find the bread?
It's in aisle 5.
Could you show me where the fruits are?
They're on the second shelf.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for tea.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm here for vacation.
Would you prefer an aisle or window seat?
A window seat, please.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
How long have you felt this way?
About 2 days.
What are your symptoms?
I have a mild fever.
What's your hobby?
I like playing basketball.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite.
What's your favorite color?
I love red.
What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice, definitely.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy comedies and thrillers.
Where do you study?
I study at UCLA.
What time do you go to school?
I leave at 7:30 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I take the subway.
What is your major?
I'm majoring in biology.
Why are you learning English?
It's important for work.
What do you want to do after graduation?
I want to become a scientist.
How did you learn English?
I took online courses.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
Can you speak English?
Yes, very well.
How long have you studied English?
Since I was 7.
Which year are you in?
I'm in my 3rd year.
Do you have any exams soon?
Yes, next week.
What's your favorite subject?
I like mathematics.
How is the weather?
It's cloudy today.
What's the date today?
It's August 25th.
Where would you like to go?
I want to visit the zoo.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Can I help you?
It's okay, thank you.
What's on your mind?
Just thinking about work.
What did you do last night?
I watched a movie.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Thanksgiving.
Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I enjoy basketball.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love eating at Chipotle.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
Have you been to Times Square?
Yes, I visited last summer.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I watch comedies mostly.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, especially in the summer.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop and jazz.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
Do you prefer dogs or cats?
I prefer dogs.
Have you ever been to Miami?
No, but I want to go.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
I like pepperoni the most.
How often do you read books?
I read a few times a week.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I exercise regularly.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer.
Do you enjoy traveling alone?
Sometimes, yes.
How do you get to work?
I usually drive my car.
What's your favorite holiday activity?
I enjoy decorating for Christmas.
Have you ever been to Disneyland?
Yes, I went last year.
Do you prefer reading or watching movies?
I prefer watching movies.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like strawberries.
How often do you go to the beach?
I go once a month.
Do you like attending concerts?
Yes, I love live music.